Question 3. How many ways can 3 girls and 3 boys sit in a row if boys and girls must alternate? I'm going to show you two kind of competing logics on this one. They both work just fine. It's just a matter of how you think about the question. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 6 spots. And I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to do girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. So there are 3 choices for this girl because there are 3 girls. And then there are 3 choices for that boy. And then there's 2 choices for the second girl because one's already seated, and likewise 2 for the boy, 1 for the girl, and 1 for the boy for the last 2 that sit down. If you think about this, 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 1 1 times 1 is really the same thing as 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's just 3 factorial times 3 factorial. However, we could have reversed this and done boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. They're still alternating. We're just starting with a boy this time. And we get the exact same answer again. And ultimately, when we put them together, you're going to get 2 times 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Now, a completely another way to think about the problem, not that it's drastically different, but it's a way I actually like a little better, is to think that this first spot can be anyone. So it can be any of the 6 kids. The second spot has to be one kid from the other gender. So if it was a boy, it has to be a girl. If it was a girl, it has to be a boy. Either way, there's 3 people available for that spot. Once you've done that, you basically end up with 2 of the same gender as the first person, 2 of the same gender as the second person, 1 that's the same as the first, 1 that's the same as the second. And what that's going to give is 6 times 2 times 3 factorial. And if you take a look at it, 6 actually is equal to 3 factorial. So this is still 3 factorial times 2 times 3 factorial. It gives you the exact same numeric answer, just in a slightly different way. Either way, the logic is sound on both of those versions.